So in this question, we need to find the capacitance, equivalent capacitance between the terminal B and Y. So in order to find the equivalent capacitance, you need to know these things. That is, if two capacitance C1, C2 are in parallel, then their equivalent capacitance is given by C1, C2 upon C1 plus C2. It is just opposite to that of resistance, okay? Now if two capacitance are in parallel, then their equivalent capacitance is given by C1 plus C2. They just get added up, okay? Now in this circuit, you may find difficulties in finding the series and parallel combination. So I will tell you the best trick to find the series and parallel combination, okay? The first thing you should note that this node and this node are directly connected. There is no resistance in between them. They are directly connected. So the voltage at this point and this point are same. So we can treat these two nodes as a single node. These two nodes are single. So this node is represented by R. So I can represent this also as R. Okay. This is the most important point in this problem. Now once you understood this, now you can see these two capacitance are in parallel and these two capacitance are in parallel. How? Let me show you this. Let us draw the three node. Okay. That is B, R and Y. Okay. So that is B nodes, it is Y node, and we have a R node. So you can see here between B and R, capacitance Cc is connected. So let us connect capacitance Cc. Okay. Again between B and R, one more capacitance Cs is connected. So let us connect between B and R, Cs also. And now come to these two. Between R and Y, capacitor Cc is connected. So let us connect between R and Y, capacitor Cc. Again between R and Y, one Cs is connected. So let us connect Cs. And in between B and Y, one Cc is connected. So connect between B and Y, one Cc. And we need to find the equivalent capacitance between B and Y. Okay. Now from this circuit, you can easily see that these two are in parallel and these two are in parallel. So in parallel, capacitance get added. So it will become Cs plus Cc. Okay. Cs plus Cc. And again, these two will also get added up because they are in parallel. So it will become Cs plus Cc. Okay. Now you can see here these two capacitance are in series. Okay. Now their equivalent will be C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. But these two are equal capacitor. So by this formula, it will come out to be half. Okay. When you apply this formula, it will become half. That is, it will become Cc plus Cs by 2. Now again, Cc and Cc plus Cs by 2 are in parallel. So they will get added up. Therefore, C equivalent between B and Y is Cc plus Cs by 2 plus Cc. They will get added up. Now after simplification, it will come out to be 3 by 2 Cc plus Cs by 2. That is our equivalent capacitance between B and Y. Okay. So this was the most important point, that these nodes and these nodes are same. Okay.